Hello, I've just got my package that I ordered from Dies to Die For, so I thought I'd quickly share what I've bought. So, I've got some Sunny Studio stamps, and these are the Enchanted stamp set, which is right up my alley because I love anything to do with princesses and castles. And the next one I got is again Sunny Studio stamps, and this is the Chicky Bay. So I thought it'd be quite fun for Easter cards because I don't actually have any Easter stamps, and because these are quite small, find it. I also got the matching dies. Just grab them. So there's the dies that go with it. And then I'm not sure how to say this one. Gerda Steiner Designs. But anyway, that hippopotamus is just everything. I can't wait to colour that. And then from the same company, I also got this one, which is A Whale of a Time. So that would be quite fun to do a sea sort of scene card. And then I also got from Sunny Studio Stamps their die, which is one of the panel dies, and these come apart. So again, you have like two dies and you can mix and match with the other Sunny Studio dies. So that will be quite fun to work with. And then the last thing I got from Dies to Die For is this Heffy Doodle stamp set, and it's the Big Bug Hugs. How cute is this? I think my favourite image is this snail. It's so sweet. So I can't wait to do a card with them. And then the other things I bought, these are from Cult Pens. So if you're in the UK and looking for anywhere that sells Copics, Cult Pens are very, very good. So these are some new colours, and I got the smaller markers because my sketch pens seem to blob when I'm colouring. These don't. And then I also got some refills, which are here. So I've just started collecting my refills because I've had my Copics for about 3 years, and they're at the point now where most of them need refilling. So I just thought I'd pop in and share my little crafty haul with you, and you'll be seeing me make lots of cards with these stamp sets very soon. Thanks, bye.